This doorstop is casting from stainless steel SUS304 or SUS316, with triple polishing process. Molten steel above 1000 degree is manufactured by wax loss casting process. The finest stainless steel ensures the durability of our doorstops. We have been producing doorstops for world-famous brand merchants for 25 years. The monthly quantity is above 10,000 pieces. The doorstop preventing the wind from closing the door suddenly. High standard rubber to prevent damage to the door and avoid noise.